Well, this is one way I can transport it. So there she is. That Honda's holding it pretty good for something that has no suspension in the front. That almost got bad. So we finally got her. 1986 Honda TRX 125. Able to lug this thing like it's nothing. Gotta love it. I'm not gonna waste no time. I'm gonna be real quick with the unboxing. I wanna get it set up real quick so we can talk about it. Let's get through this. Ooh, that is clean. Look at that seat. It's got like this like sparkly look to it. I kind of like that. It's nice and clean, keeps it shiny looking. Yeah, we got her on, we got her going. Seems to have a full charge. So before I even ride this thing, let's talk about it for a minute. The Anyland Rev Pro e-bike is probably the best beginner e-bike and the best beginner wheelie bike, but it has an auto wheelie assist mode. You can lock it up to 25 degrees, 35 degrees, or even 45 degrees angle and just keep it like that, giving it full throttle, and it'll keep that angle for you. So another thing that's really cool about this bike, it only weighs 116 pounds and it has a 3,000 watt mid-drive motor pushing about 160 Newton meters of torque. And not only that, it has a 48 volt battery, gives you about 48 miles of range, and it comes with a fast charger, so it will take about 5 to 5.5 hours to charge your bike fully. And as you've seen earlier, it does have 3 speed modes. It's got 12 miles an hour, 22 miles an hour, and 34 miles an hour. I think the look of the bike, especially the way that the red is sparkling and the fender is made, the way that it is set up, I think it looks like a really cool e-bike. If you're looking to get one of your own, whatever color it is you want, you can get $100 off if you use my code RowdyDB and save you some money. Either hit the link in my description or just use code RowdyDB. Comes with a great grippy seat, a headlight that has 6 different light modes, which is really cool. I kind of like the dash on here. Come look at this real quick. So right now we're on level 3. There's level 2, level 1. And then I see if you hold down the +1 button to go up in speed, you get your lights on. Hold it down again, goes off, hold it again. And you got different light modes. I think that's pretty cool. And if you keep holding it down and cycling through it, I don't know about that one. That one's a little iffy. I wouldn't, that's pretty cool. You can have a bright yellow and then a regular bright white. That's pretty cool, man. And it has a 2.6 inch display where you can change the modes, also see your trip, odometer, your max mile per hour, your average mile per hour. So that is really cool. 14 inch rims in the front, and you got 12 inch in the back. So it's about a regular size pit bike. And like I said before, I am impressed with the way that it is built, the way that it matches up, and it is a pretty clean look. So now there's really only one thing left to do. We gotta ride it and see what the wheelie mode is like. Let's put our helmet on. This thing feels pretty smooth. I'm not sure if that's adjustable. I think this kickstand is yeah, it looks like it's adjustable. I got to take the bolts out, slide it out, put it back in, because right where it's at, if it leans, like right now, the rear wheel is literally like damn near off the ground. So like if you pull it a little bit, it's gonna fall over.
If you want a chance to win an Anyland Rev Pro Auto Assist Wheelie e-bike, all you gotta do is like, comment, subscribe, and as soon as my channel hits 10,000 subscribers, I will be giving one away to a lucky winner. Good luck, guys.